Hello and welcome once again to Sanskriti's episode number 607th video. I'm Lalia and today is our weaves collection. So I'll start with beautiful weaving sarees starting from Bengal weaves. The first one is a very beautiful, this is not the usual Dhakai that we show. This is much premium quality hand woven jamdanis. Very pretty color combination. This is in Chanderi, cotton Chanderi in a Korat woven border pallu concept. Very different type. Usually we have very good combinations of, we can mix and match our collection with this, like we can do a painting in this later, you can do embroidery in this, and otherwise also it's a very pretty sari with a just plain woven border and pallu. And here is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will be given separately. This is along with the sari. Product number 1, Chanderi cotton Jamdani Korat woven Dhakai woven in Bengal. So this is number 1. Number 2, a border pallu concept once again in sky color. So summer colors, pastels, shades of off-white with contrast borders, beautiful concept, simple saris, but it's very trendy. They look, any age can wear this, not that since it's white so only the aged will wear. No, anyone can wear this. It gives a very smart look, very different look, very sober, very elegant. And the color combination, see the border, it's sky blue and the lower border is slightly broader than the upper border. No, I think both the borders are same. So comes with this blouse piece, yes. So make the blouse piece is also, you can make it, not that sometimes what happens in the a little lower range dhakais that we show, the blouse pieces doesn't last very long, but these are very much wearable. You can make the blouses out of this. It will give a very elegant look, and there is a bit of zari weave in the Korat Jamdani weaving. So it's a very pretty sari. Now I'll show you a bit of more jal weaves. 3600 all over premium quality Dhakai jal weave. The thread count is more, the threads are well cut, the weaving is unique, and also the color. And moreover, I'm giving a matching blouse piece with the saris. The saris are two-tone and it comes with this lilac blouse. It's a smoky lavender color. Matching blouse piece. So this is a sari. Very pretty shade. All over weaving. Now by now you know how to do the booking. First come first serve basis. After you make the payment, your booking will be confirmed. After booking, after you make the payment, send your name, address, telephone number and PIN code to the WhatsApp number 7603042696. No phone calls, first come first serve basis. Send your name, address, telephone number, COD, cash on delivery service only in Kolkata, and outside Kolkata it will go via courier. A lovely pastel mint green color in again all over Jamdani weave. These are Bengal woven with touch of zari. Colors are all pastel shades and comes with this matching blouse piece. Very sober mint green pista type shade, and this is the blouse. Pallu. Very, very pretty color combination and sober design also. The next one is a powder blue color. Very pretty powder blue color, again in all over Jamdani Korat. We bought a lovely shade. These colors are so fresh, very pastel shades and lovely, lovely pieces they look. These colors are rare colors, and especially matching blouses are also very rare. You don't get to see these kind of matching blouses, but since they are woven in our looms, we insist the weaver to do a matching blouse, because these colors usually have to go for white. So white blouse, those who don't want to wear, obviously a matching blouse looks much more gorgeous and more richer when you have these border in the blouse piece. So this is a powder blue shade, again with zari weave in between. Beautiful. Next one is again another lovely shade of green. Till end the weaving will come, except the part where you are tucking in. The tucking in part will have less weave. This is because it will go in where you are tucking it. Otherwise the whole sari comes with this weave, and here is the blouse piece. Two-tone, and clearly the prices are mentioned. So you can see the price and make your decision. If you want to pick up from the store, pre-booking is required for the show products. If you are coming for any other products which is not displayed in today's episode, you can come anytime. No booking required. Many varieties are available in both our branches, 2C Cornfield Road, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, and 12 Jamil Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19. 2 branches in Kolkata. Similar weave is this grey one. Beautiful shade of this grey Jamdani Dhakai. Very good count, quality, and even the back side. Okay, let me show the back side. See how well the finishing has been done. ऐसे नहीं कि यहाँ से ये thread आ गया, वहाँ से वो thread join हो गया. Every piece is very beautifully finished. The finishing, and you can see the blouse piece. With this also there is the blouse piece, the grey blouse with the border. Very, very gorgeous sari. And the price of this sari, the price is 3,600, the grey color. The grey colored Dhakai, 3,600. The blouse piece is displayed. The next one I'll show you, Dhakai hand painting. Now certain Dhakais, we need to do some value addition, little bit of designer hatke look. So we've added this lovely free hand painting in this Dhakai weave from Bengal. All these are Bengal weaves. These painted Dhakais comes without blouse piece. You can wear a black blouse. 4650, 4,650 rupees with a contrast border and pallu. 4650 is the price with the painted Dhakai without blouse piece. White and grey. So this is the weave. No orders. First come, first serve basis. Free hand painting in lovely Bengal soft Dhakai. This is a bit starched, but while doing fall pico, you can always, the starch will be reduced a bit. Few people like their sari starched, so this is a bit starched. Beautiful hand painted Bengal cotton Dhakai with painting. Even the ones that are soft, those who like it crisp, they can give it for polish. 3990 for this particular sari, no blouse piece. Okay, this has a blouse piece. Wow, great. This has a blouse piece. So just measure 5.5 meters and check if you want to cut the blouse. I think it's better to wear a pink blouse with this. Just measure 5.5 meters and then check if you have the blouse material. Another lovely Dhakai painting is this Kesar color. Lovely piece in a Kesar color. 4650 is the sari price without blouse piece. Without blouse piece. Soft Dhakai without blouse piece, hand painting in grey and the Kesar color, orangish, light orangish color. Beautiful shade, soft Dhakai and a beautiful combination. Another hand painted without blouse piece. Hand painted Bengal Dhakai. 4650 number 9. You know the difference in price is due to the difference in weave. No blouse piece. I think even the pink one didn't have a blouse piece. The pink one also didn't have a blouse piece. So don't cut the blouse. Better wear it with a pink blouse. 4650 number 9. No blouse piece. Bengal cotton Dhakai paint. $3990. So these hand painted, freehand painting in different patterns, you know, they look very different, whereas you are getting the Dhakai sari, but with a different look. So in summer, these kind of florals are very eye soothing and they create a fashion statement also. Obviously, we love florals throughout the year, but especially in cotton summers, these kind of Dhakais are just wow. Now I'll show you some exclusive hand woven needle jamdani in pure muslin. Bengal muslins are famous worldwide. And these are original needle jamdani. You can see from the back how well the finishing is. It's direct weaving and it's you don't need to cut the thread also. It's just done by weaving. No cutting or nothing. It's just korath weaving and it's just amazing, this pattern of needle jamdani. Original needle jamdani, Bengal, jal weave. We have multiple patterns in this and colors. Just that I will do the tassels for you. It's just come from the loom. The tasseling is due. I'll do the tasseling, give us some time and then we'll ship it, no extra charges. And this is just beautiful and it comes with matching blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border. Superb dreamy color of pista. Just amazing. We've tried to keep the price as minimum as possible depending on the amount of jal and the quality of the muslin. It's just superb. It's just a promotional value for promoting pure hand woven handloom sarees from West Bengal. Just superb. It's just so beautiful. It's a lime pista color. Very, you can see a lime color only, just a skin of the lemon. This lilac color, my favorite. In fact, I've taken one for myself also, this lilac color. My petticoat is not ready, so I couldn't wear that sari. I thought of wearing that only for today's episode. My blouse and petticoat is not ready. So I've worn another sari, similar needle jamdani. I'll show mine one also, but this is a beautiful piece in lilac color. Needle jamdani in pastels comes with this blouse piece. Pure handloom saris from Bengal. Superb color and what a gorgeous design. Preferably wear it with the same blouse, then you'll get the color of the sari. The color is so pretty, so beautiful. So you'll get the color of the sari. It's really amazing. And here is the achol once again for you. The color palette is very, very pretty, very beautiful. I have, this is A and B, okay? So two color options, the previous one and this lilac color. Now I'll move on to Mal Chanderi Jamdani. Now this is not print. Many of you say it's so beautiful, it must be print. No, it is weaving. See from the back, this is Mal Chanderi, very soft saris, and it is super comfortable. You know, especially if you're thinking what to gift your elderly people or who likes very lightweight saris, people looking for work wear saris, corporate wear saris, for for meetings, for these kind of profession. If you're looking for work wear, this is beautiful. Color sea green, and the base color is a chiku tussar type color, substitute of tussar for summer. It's just amazing. The blouse piece also has the weave. If you can see, the blouse piece has buta weave. I'll just show from the back, and here is the blouse border में भी ये handloom weaving है. So this is the sari. This is the, it's just amazing. See the fall. इसका fall भी बहुत सुंदर है. साड़ी का color combination, soberness, elegance, everything मिला के price. Total package of the sari is beautiful. Trust me, you will be very, very happy once you receive the sari. Very sober piece. It is a must in your wardrobe and complete with tassels. What a beautiful concept and color. Color option, this fuchsia. Base color remains same except that the blouse piece, the border have been changed. This is the border here actually. So here you can see it has the weave, fuchsia one, and this is the sari. Mal Chanderi. Moving on to florals from geometric. Previous ones were geometric weave. Here comes the floral one. Very light sober sari again with yellow cluster of flowers, buta, and it has a border also which is floral. The pallu will have this zari weave in the end, of course with tassels, border, and a lovely blouse. The blouse color, it's just rare. Even dye करने से भी ये color नहीं आएगा. इतना सुंदर ये color है yellow का. Excellent piece. Color option is this rustish fuchsia, coral type color. ये सब लिमिटेड पीस आता है और बहुत जल्दी बिक जाता है. ये सब साड़ीज रेंज वाइज एंड कंफर्ट वाइज, आई इवन मोर देन रेंज वाइज, द कंफर्ट ऑफ दिस साड़ीज आर जस्ट टू गुड. Suppose you are flying and straight will head to an office meeting. These are excellent ones. Just see the back side, you will understand the weaving. So I particularly try to show the back side. एक साड़ी का finishing आपका सामने से ज़्यादा back side देखने से पता चलेगा कि कैसे हम लोग finishing पे ध्यान देता है. साड़ी का सामने तो सुंदर लगेगा ही, क्योंकि हम लोग कारीगर को सामने तो attractive लगेगा, क्योंकि सामने देखकर ही साड़ी sell होता है. But back side, we particularly take care that the back side is equally beautiful. Now see this concept. Iska border is not contrast woven. The border is tone on tone woven, a beige color with an off-white weave. Superb, but the twist is in the pallu. A superb color combination given in the blouse. See again, intentionally I'm not folding it. See the weave of the back side. Different level of finishing. And the pallu. Do write us a review in Google or Facebook page how you like our products. Share our page, our video. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. Regularly we come up with such gorgeous sarees, different concept in every episode. If you think it's worth it, do subscribe to our channel and check out our reels, our Instagram page, Sanskriti Kolkata, as well as YouTube channel. You please subscribe to the channel so that it reaches to more people, and you can also get to see our latest collection. The first launch is done via YouTube, so you can also have a first-hand view of what is there at the moment, what is trending, what is and the season is already knocking at the door. The Pujo, the many festivals are very near. So once the Poila Boishakh is over, summer vacations ongoing, and then we start already displaying our Pujo products. So stay tuned. We'll be coming up with variety of sarees. Now again, something new, a jacquard weaving Banarasi. Soft silk with self jacquard weave. These are semi katans. Satin finish, 6,500 with a matching blouse piece. The blouse piece also has a self weave, and this is the sari. It's a gorgeous Rani color. A self on self jacquard weaving, dual tone, red and Rani, dual tone weaving, pallu. And border, it has no buta, but the body it has a very pretty weave. Rani with red all over, a small weaving, bandhej type ka weaving hai, design, very pretty, and a gold zari border. Color combination in different patterns. So since the design has changed, the range would also slightly change, I think. I don't remember the price, but anyway the price is mentioned. This is a navy blue color, again with zari buta, self weaving. All the sarees have a self weave. So you can see it from the close up in the camera that the sarees have self weave, but the blouse will be plain with the border. ठीक है? 6500, all same price with buta. Now this comes a bit pinkish orange. Colors, what lovely shades these have. Bridal collection, you can wear them to weddings, you can gift them as a tottu, and then also can be for gifting, also anniversaries. You know, many of the budgets are usually for gifting. 25th anniversary, people have a range of 6 to 8. That range, you neither get pure silk nor you get pure tussar, but the range is quite good. But tussar and all starts from around 8 to 9,000. So within 6 to 8, these are a very good rich option, which has silk as well as chanderi. It's a blending of two fabrics which gives a very nice gorgeous look. The weave is also pretty, the price is also within the budget, and also the border, the weaving, again let me show the backside weaving. See the backside weaving, perfect finishing. Very sober sea green color, very soothing shade. So I showed few bright chart, I showed navy blue dark chart. Now I'm going for a nice pastel chart. Sanskriti, the Baliganj branch, which is the Jamir Lane branch, both are in Baliganj, but the Jamir Lane branch has more stock of regular wear saris. We have the kurti department, tailoring option, available ready-made blouses, dupattas, scarves, all these available in the Jamir Lane branch. The Cornfield Road branch has the menswear section of jackets, dhotis, kurtas, suits, dupattas, tailoring unit, jewelry, and of course the saris, bridal collection and party wear saris. So please visit the branches and you will be getting loads and loads of variety. And to book this particular product, since we show all variety of products, so this particular same sari, same color, you need to book the product, pay in your preferred option like GPay or Paytm. Look at the corner buta here, it's so pretty here, the corner buta. It's a peacock blue color, navy with blue weaving, narrow border. We ship worldwide and shipping charges international depends on the weight and destination. But the more you accumulate and ship together, the shipping charges reduces to less than half. Satin border, very pretty lower border. See the paisley is so pretty. Very pretty paisley, number 23. Lower border without jacquard weave, gold paisley, and the body comes with the jacquard weave. Very pretty concept, and this is the blouse piece. The blouse piece will have the border. Sea green lime color, and when you do the pleat, the paisley will be so gorgeous. See, very gorgeous saree, really a very pretty one, and the gorgeous red. This is such a beautiful red. We love this red. This is exactly the red that we look for. Number 24. যেটা আমরা বলি দারুণ, নট ডিপ রেড, ইটস আ টকটকে লাল, যেটা আমরা বলি একদম ভীষণ সুন্দর রংটা, অপূর্ব রংটা। Now I'll show Zari Kota, weave from Benares. Kota saris, Self weaving, zari weaving border, pallu, and the blouse piece is also gorgeously woven. Price 3,500. Light color, chapa full color, very nice, creamish, lemonish color, very pretty shade. Dark butter color, you can say. Blouse is also gorgeous. Very nice sari. Kota, and here you can see the weaving. A linen Banarasi, cotton linens are hot selling item. Throughout the year we sell these sarees so well. Comes with the blouse piece, pink color blouse piece. Border pallu concept without buta, number 26. Border pallu concept without buta and color is wine. The blouse piece is a Rani brocade blouse piece. The blouse piece, yes, this is the blouse piece. It's a brocade Rani color. Very comfortable lightweight sari. Hand woven Bengal cotton. Handloom, totally handloom Bengal cotton from Fulia with a temple woven border. Very pretty color. Our Bengal cottons are, what I said, a whole industry, handloom industry, many workers, many weavers, karigars, livelihood is because of the weaving. This is the pallu. Superb color combination, design, very pretty sari. Color option green, and all comes with blouse piece. Green and rustish color. This is so pretty shades, and the pallu is elaborately woven. $3,200 with this blouse piece. Nice shade. These are summer shades, and our handloom cottons, they look good in this kind of texture and color. See the weaving. So beautiful the weave is. Front and back, see. One of my favorite weaving in recent sarees that have come from my loom, from the weaver, this one. It's a ikat weaving in the body with very neat design border. The border is weave is excellent, very unique. And the sachol, one of my favorite ones. Stunning piece, comes with a running blouse piece. The sari is amazing, and the elegance is in the color of the sari. Just fantastic. Another similar weave in a different color. This color is equally pretty. Sky type color. Equally beautiful. This weave actually is so pretty. All the shades are uncommon. Bengal, exhibiting the best of Bengal cotton handlooms to you. If you want the blouses to be stitched, we'll connect you to the tailoring department after payment. You can opt for video calls for gents kurtas, dupattas or any other items which is not shown in the video. If you want plus size kurtas, suits, tailoring, anything, let me know. We'll give you the concern number. Every day we are shipping. At the moment this is a bit, everybody's more in a holiday mood, so it's one of our little everybody's in a holiday mood, so thoda sa business May in mid June thoda sa halka hota hai, because people come in the store. Online sale se zyada people come in the store because people are visiting Calcutta. But still, every day from each branch, we are shipping at least 80 to 85 in this dull season in each of the branches. So many products shipping regularly, packing. So we take a day or two time, and then after payment we ship, because we check the product, we iron it, we polish it, we check the payment. ये सब एक दो दिन लगता है, उसके बाद हमारा shipping होता है. और season time में तो और भी ज़्यादा touch wood बहुत ज़्यादा packages जाता है. I keep posting pictures of the parcels also, so that you understand. Don't worry, your parcel is on the way. Until you receive the product, the responsibility is fully ours. We will take full responsibility of the product till you receive properly. These Bengal handloom weaves are excellent, superb pieces. Pure cotton, 100% cotton sarees, hand woven. And the one that I'm wearing, I'll show another option in this. This is the one that I'm wearing. It is again the pure jamdani, but what I've done, I've additionally done some hand painting in the pallu. The hibiscus hand painting has been done in the pallu with the matching colors, and the border and the edges, this, now see, this and this is woven. This is the painting. Since this part was plain, this sari has been intentionally woven in such a way that the pallu, we can do some value addition to this. 14,900. The sari price is 14,900. I have more pieces in this where the border has not been painted, the pallu. So anything, both is possible. If you want it without painting, that can also be done. So 14,500 for the ones without painting. Now you see, this kind of tasseling will be done for the others also. The ones that I showed, the tasseling was pending. उसमें भी ऐसा tassels हो जाएगा. Those are unfinished. We'll finish it and give. And these, the one without painting is 14,500 and comes with this blouse piece. Needle jamdani muslin pure handloom hand woven sari in an amazing, this is the back side. And the one that I'm wearing, 14,900 with painted palla. Even this has a running blouse. The blouse piece will have the border. The neck piece that I'm wearing comes with this is a bit heavy quality premium brass neck piece with polki stone setting. 4,900 is the set. 4,990 rupees is the set. These are, ये बैक साइड देखने से आपको पता चलेगा कैसे इसका ब्रास फिनिशिंग है. Mala, and it's beautiful. You can wear it with shirts, any other saris also, and it's lovely. My sari price 14,900. So hope you like the video. Do subscribe. Thank you.